Alright guys, so welcome to yet another adventure. Don't rain on me. Um, Bit of a different plan again today. We came up to celebrate Zio Nick's birthday. So me, Forrest, and Nick are up Parry Sound right now. We're going to launch in the morning, fish today through around the 30,000 islands in the Massasauga area, where Forrest is going to break off for the night, do some camping. We're going to head back. But don't worry, camping's next weekend. But yeah, we're gonna try to explore, see what type of fish we can catch. So far, it's me and Nick up here. We got another 2 hours or so before Forrest gets up here. And yeah, we're gonna start the adventure. When you can't wait to hit the lake in the morning. So I'm gonna sit here, watch Nick fish for a bit. Maybe he'll catch a car in the parking lot, and check back in soon.
Not bad, Jordan. Not bad at all, bro.
Morning everybody. So made our way over to the salt docks here. Gonna unload. We had Mark come up and visit us in the evening last night. He's getting ready. We just gotta finish unloading, and hopefully the rain lets off a bit and we could go and have some fun. So yeah, we'll check back in a sec when we're on the water. Alright guys, so we're on and launched. Got a spectator. Mark has just got on, getting ready. Got the birthday boy chilling out. And we're gonna head that way, inland a bit, and through all that, rather than going out towards the open lake in Kilbear. The rain has just stopped, so we should be good. So yeah, let's get going. That way. Stopped on one of the campsites here, 211. I think this is where Mark was planning on camping. Just doing some shore fishing, but I'm gonna go explore this path. See where it takes me and where I could fish at the end of it. Let's see. Check in soon. Well, following this path brought me to a really good view. It doesn't really help for fishing from up here. Oh well. Back on the Sea-Doo. Caught the world's smallest pike. Now we're gonna try to drift in and see what happens. Better than the other little thing. Better than the one at 6 Mile.
Yeah, right?
Let's get him in the water. Nicky with the little one. You don't need it? So we took a bit of a break from fishing, found another campsite here. This one's actually pretty nice and big, number 207. Got a nice campsite. We parked up over there. We've decided we're just gonna come and use their fire pit here. Nick's gonna have a beer. And yeah, just gonna hang up our clothes, dry it off a bit while we start this fire and cook. And I think because of the size of this campsite and the last couple we stayed on didn't have these flat pads here, and we were kind of uncomfortable in some of them, we might come back to this campsite next weekend and actually spend the weekend here. Why not? That way there's more water, like a swamp on that side, and a bunch of trails that go everywhere. So yeah, let's cook some food and get back fishing. Check in soon.
Are you gonna have that one or not?
Got the bellies full. We'll be back here next week. But time to go and try to do some more fishing. Another little guy. Relax.
Yo. Another one?
Alright guys, well, we're back and we're done for the day. 4 for me, Nick, Mark, six fish today. 4 pike, 5 pike, and a bass. Not bad. we're just getting packed up here and we're gonna start the voyage home, but we're gonna come back here next weekend, spend the night, see what we could pull out of the water then. But for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any other fishing ideas, and yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure coming right up. Sasquatch! Weirdo.